Hi, our lesson now is about right-angled trigonometry. In right-angled trigonometry, what's meant by having a right angle, it means that one of the three angles inside a triangle is a 90 degrees angle. Let's see here our right-angled triangle. Let's start explaining Pythagoras Theorem. What does Pythagoras Theorem say? Pythagoras Theorem says that the hypotenuse squared is equal to side 1 squared plus side 2 squared. If the triangle is a right-angle triangle, the hypotenuse is always the longest side. The hypotenuse is always the longest side. So, the first thing I have to do in my right-angle triangle is to label the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always opposite to the 90 degrees angle. So, this is the hypotenuse. This would be side 1. And this is side 2. This is Pythagoras Theorem. Now, let's take an example. Find the value of x in the following. This is a right-angle triangle. I have a 13 centimeter, 12 centimeters, and an unknown x. What I have to do is I want to find the value of x. In order to find the value of x, I need to use Pythagoras Theorem. So I start by labeling the hypotenuse. I know that this is the hypotenuse, which is the 13 centimeters, and this is side 1, and the x is side 2. So I start by applying Pythagoras. We know that the hypotenuse squared, so 13 squared, is equal to 12 squared plus x squared. So now, in order to find the value of x, in this case, I can simply use the solver in my graphical display calculator. We can go to the menu, and then I go to equation. After that, I use F3, which is the solver. Let's delete what's in there. Let's add 13 squared is equal to 12 squared plus x squared. And I execute, and I go to solve, and I can find that the value of x is 5. So x is equal to 5 centimeters.